critical part of the governor's initiative is to create an enterprise of government. We want government to be accessible to the citizen. We don't want government to be this thing that has to be a maze that you navigate through, but that you come into a portal and you are provided services without having to understand the labyrinth and the complexity of government. Our first mile approach is keep the customer where they're at, but don't rely on the physical location of those records to constrain how we meet their needs in the location they're at, in the locality they're at. Our goal is to make sure that we provide eligibility determination that gets the best level of benefits in the quickest amount of time to the citizens of Montana. So we don't want to take weeks or months to do this. We would prefer to take hours and days to do this. The perceptive content solution and in general just content management will play a key role in how we turn around cases, and I'll give the example of, in some cases for DPHHS, the Department of Public Health and Human Services, our citizens mail their documents, or they can scan their documents themselves, which is pretty cool. They can get into our online system and apply for public assistance. Our citizen can come in to an office that's nearest them and have that same case file with those records they either scanned or with those records that were scanned for them be immediately available to them. One of the big cost avoidance aspects will be allowing case files to be distributed across offices and balancing the work of our workers. There's hundreds of State of Montana employees who diligently work on behalf of the citizens to help deliver benefits. We need to be able to take that workload and distribute it so we're not increasing FTE, but rather we're using the workforce that we have in the most efficient manner possible and creating that virtual office experience. Being able to manage our staff is so critically important to helping avoid costs, but keeping up the level of service that our citizens expect. The use of perceptive content for the state of Montana is going to significantly improve our engagement with the customer. It's going to provide an enterprise-class solution. It's going to allow documents to be digitized and made electronically available, assembled into case files, or whatever needs to be provided to our State of Montana employees so that they can provide the most efficient service to our citizens possible.